everybody? Welcome back to Adventurez with David. Now we have ventured back here at Knott's Busy Farm to definitely check out some park updates, some food, and then possibly try a macaron. We've been wanting to try that for quite some time, but man, feels so great to be back. But it is really busy at the park today. Crazy busy. I know it's a Sunday, but man, I got here early in the morning and man, it still was super busy. But I do know some rides that are opening up today, so we're gonna have some awesome fun. Make sure you guys are subscribed because we have a lot more fun adventures coming your way. So if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to start this Knott's Berry Farm or Knott's Busy Farm adventure. Let's go. With this being my first official day trip here at Knott's Berry Farm, they do have the updates. So we were here last night to do some updates, but also too is that because of the day trip, they do have the mask updates, which, you know, as long as you are vaccinated, you don't actually have to wear a mask indoors. But if you are unvaccinated, you do have to wear and properly still wear the mask indoors as well too. So pretty crazy. Let me tell you, we were actually walking through in and out of the stores, and it was really weird. I kept looking at the employees like they were going to tell me something. So finally, after quite some time, the Timber Mountain Hootenanny is back in operation, but there's actually one. So I was here for like a reconnaissance adventure, but there's another attraction that possibly is opening up today, which the reason why I'm here today is because I wanted to actually ride that one. This one, I'm not too sure about, but I'm glad it's back. So I actually was trying to find a spot where there wasn't a lot of people. There is a lot of people here. But I wanted to stop by and actually, just let you guys know, I stopped by the boardwalk. Man, it was so great to be around that boardwalk, but yes, the Wipeout is actually back in operation. We saw it last night being tested, and today they were actually in operation. Now, it opened up here back over in 1999, and it was built by Chance Rides. It was manufactured by Chance Rides. Now, it's been featured in so many carnival rides. So when you go to like the OC Fair, the LA County Fair, they do have that ride everywhere they go. But there's one thing that's totally different. When they first actually had the ride prior to the refurbishments was the creaks. So when actually you would turn, you would hear like the ride actually creak up and down. But I was talking to an employee yesterday. I'm like, man, I'm gonna miss that so very much. The sounds of that ride. But I know they refurbished it, so it's back in operation. It's ready to go. So unfortunately, with that, because of that, they won't actually allow you to film on the ride. So yeah, I had to just look at it from afar, but I don't have my wife here or my friends here, so I don't want to actually leave my camera and my bag sitting down by itself. So maybe next time. Yay, it's picking. Starting not to go as planned. I mean, the breakfast burritos that they had over at the bakery are no more. A lot of places I wanted to actually eat at don't open until noon. But I want to find you guys something either from the peanut celebration or from the dining plan. I'll find you guys something. But also right over there, usually for the most part they do have a lot of concept arts, you know, from before for the Boysen Brewery and the Pizza Pie Factory. But they do now have another concept art back over there, which is the prop shop. When I was back here with my mom, which I'm gonna post somewhere around here, is they actually had it fully open, so all the trees were taken down, and you can kind of see the whole aspect of it. It was actually pretty cool. But yeah, everything now it's completely closed off. They can't really get over there just to take a look at it. But yeah, we're just gonna be looking around because right behind me, boop, right there, we're definitely gonna be sitting down and enjoying the It's Your Life Charlie Brown finally. We're gonna do a full-on, okay, today's gonna be the final time, man. This is gonna be it right here, that we finally can say we looked at everything peanut celebration related. Found something to eat right over by the Fiesta Village, which was Fiesta Dog. Now we were there prior for the Mexican dog, but I definitely want to try this out, which is like a long word to use. Let's be frank. Sonoran Bacon Dog with pinto beans, diced tomatoes, and sour cream with a bag of chips. So with this being this Sonoran Dog, I definitely wanted to just throw in some Takis with it. Might as well, right? I'm pretty sure I'm almost done with eating pretty much everything on the Peanut Celebration dining plan menu. So I'm probably going to be moving on to more of the dining plan, which I want to actually go to the Fireman Brigade. My wife and I really want to go there. Dude, I don't even know how I'm going to like... This is, you know what this actually looks like in a sense? It pretty much looks like a torta. It really does. Man, these tortas are my favorite, you know. Taking a bigger bite on this, which it didn't take much of this bite, but there is a ton of bacon. So you do get your money's worth as far as it being an all meat sandwich, because it does have the bacon, it has the diced tomatoes. Sour cream's not really my thing, but I went ahead and just threw it on there because they didn't have the ketchup, mayo, mustard. But you do get your hot dog in there, but man, it is jam-packed with meat. This thing is really, really good. I would actually rank this, for me, a 5 out of 6. It's not the best, you know, but it is really good for the price of this, which is $13. Definitely come on out to the Fiesta Village and get yourself a Sonoran Dog, or let's be frank. All right. So this is not on the dining plan. It's more of an extra. But I want to showcase it to you guys. I went ahead and just threw in some Takis in there. Not really gonna eat all this. I'll probably throw in my backpack, but went ahead and threw some on the on the sandwich. Might as well try it, right? If I can. This thing is really monstrous. I do have to say this. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste overpoweringly hot. Man, if you guys do definitely go out and try a Sonoran Dog, and you can handle a little bit of heat onto this, definitely go out and get yourself the Takis. Throw it in there. Not a lot of them, but if you want to throw it, depends on you guys. You want to throw a bunch in there. But it actually adds a nice little flavor to it. Well, for something extra that I just threw in, that would actually get like a 5.5 out of 6. It brings out a lot of the flavor into it. Not only do you get a lot of the meat with the tomatoes actually add on with the Takis, so that's actually pretty good. All right, I may have overplanned in a sense. I totally forgot that there is a show here at 12:30, so let's try to actually make it and see what the hustle and bustle is all about over at the It's Your Life Charlie Brown really quick. I was running a little late, sorry guys. Finished it up watching this show, which was great. They had some amazing music, some nice little dance. He got to actually find out certain characters that, you know, hey, you would know it from here. It's pretty much what it says. It's Your Life Charlie Brown. So it's basically they're actually doing like a game show of hidden characters or hidden people that he actually, you know, talked to. His sister, his dog, his friends. It's pretty cool. If you guys need to come on out and check it out. Well, for me, I totally blanked out and forgot it was President's Day. I think it was President's Day weekend, but man, it was really busy. But yeah, sorry, I was a little running late. I was eating my hot dog and I had to run down over here to check it out. But yeah, this is a can't miss show during the weekends. It actually is pretty fun. Now, if you wanted to score a hello to Snoopy on the far right side, or when you're facing it, the far right side, when the show's almost over, you can go right over there, and all the characters are walking back, and you can take, you know, say hi to them, take fun pictures with them right there and then. So Wow, that's actually pretty cool. So like I just talked about right there, look at that. Meet your favorite Peanuts friends on the go. But they actually are, I wish this was actually true. Now usually you'll just see Charlie Brown there. But yeah, this is the Peanutkelvin Kid. They actually give you a map out here, so you can actually get yourself going as far as how they're gonna actually set it up. So here is where the pizza brewery actually is going to be at. Let me actually zoom in right there. So this is where the pizza brewery is. This is where the bumper cars are. This is where the berry factory is. Walter Knott Theater. Corey's Corner is right over here. And this is actually what they set up here. I would say if you guys do want to come out, the best spot for me, honestly, would be something right here. I know Linus and Charlie was right here. Yeah, Schroeder that was here with Lucy. I don't know if that's going to be the case every single time, but they actually do come around here. And they actually stay around here and dance and have fun, throw some coins inside the fountain right there. But then they head off here. So if you do want to take your fun pictures, I think this would be the perfect spot right here as you see them exit out. Oh, look, we couldn't stop by without saying hi to Marcy. How are you? Well, we missed you. I know I've been walking around. I was like, wait a minute, I haven't seen Marcy yet. Thanks, Marcy. See, no matter how actually busy it actually is pretty empty to actually meet and greet some of your awesome Peanuts characters. Oh man, stopped by the Ghost Town Bakery because I wanted to try something I wanted to try yesterday, but they were actually completely out of, which is the peanut butter and jelly macaron. Now, we tried the macaroon before, learned there was a difference between a macaroon and a macaron. This is the macaron. This is really, really good. Oh, like it actually has little golden truffles there, which I don't know why. Didn't say it on the whole thing, but it's okay. Let's definitely try it out. Okay. Yeah. Knott's Berry Farm has been knocking it pretty much out of the park pretty well with the treats so far. Yesterday I had the Charlie Brownie. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. This was so delicious. This, I wouldn't say is the majorly bam kind of thing, pow. But I would say this is really delicious. Definitely come on out and try this out. $5 for the platinum pass. It would end up being $4. But I would definitely give this a 5 out of 6. 5 out of 6. Really, really good. Oh man, this is my first. That's actually I think my first time actually trying a macaron. But guys, if you haven't actually jumped over to my Instagram, definitely jump over to my Instagram. I am actually giving a giveaway. I have the giveaway prize, so if you guys want to see it, I'll link it up somewhere in the very top part there. So definitely check it out, guys. Alright guys, that is it for today's awesome Knott's Berry Farm adventure. We had some food, we've had some treats, we've had some updates, and we got to see a show. Let's see a lot of stuff on this episode for you guys. Now, if you guys love this adventure, make sure you guys give it an awesome Peanut Celebration thumbs up. If you guys like the content I bring to you guys all the time, make sure you guys subscribe right now and always share my videos with your family and friends. Now, if you would love to own your own Adventurez merch or even support the channel, I'm going to have those links down below in the description, so definitely check them out. And make sure you guys check them out for my giveaway. And now, we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go!